In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Netflix profile to another account. So Netflix provides for a way for users to be able to transfer their profiles either to new accounts or existing accounts. And to do this is quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get started, head over to your profile here and then choose account. Under account, go to quick links. And down below, you should see this option, transfer a profile. Now here, you're told when you transfer your profile, this is what will be transferred: viewing history, my list, saved games, settings, and more. You're also told if you transfer your own account or join an existing account, you'll keep everything you love about that profile. And also a backup copy will be left for this profile on the original account. However, saved games will not be included in the backup copy. So to start, go ahead and click on this start profile transfer, and this will take you to this option to choose what you want to transfer. And here you are given two options that you can either transfer your profile to a new account. This is where you transfer this profile and purchase another profile, new profile for your membership, or you can also go ahead and transfer to an existing account. This is where you transfer this profile to an existing Netflix account. You have to note that you'll need an email and password to complete the transfer. So I'll go ahead and choose the second option. You can choose the one you wish, and I'll proceed to next. So provide your sign-in information and then click on next. And finally here you have to enter the email and password of the account you wish to transfer to. So at this point, you need to have an active Netflix account where you can transfer this profile to. To do this, just go ahead and enter your email address or phone and password and click on next to complete. So that's how you can transfer your profile on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.